Another tool with AI is magic light. The image like this, it's automatically detected all the light and create a light beam and more glow for you. First, you open the magic light AI and first increase the number of the density. And as you can see, it detected the light, and after that, it added more glow to that. You can make brush size 0 here, density, and as you can see, we have this glow from the light here. If you're going most over here, you can see these marks tells you, okay, these are detected and I can add glow to them. You can see. You can increase or decrease the number of intensity like this. As you can see, it's not detected here, so you can control to add it. You can add them. You can simply come here and add any beams that you want. You can click at the light. For example, it's not detected beam. Click. You can add any light to any light source that you want. It's very simple. Or for example, to these, you can add the beams, but by clicking. If you don't want, you can simply delete them. You can change the brush size and delete all beams marker from here, and we don't have any beams. Or you can restore if you want. So this is an intensity, increase number of that. You can change the size of your, as you can see, glow beam widths. You can change the beam widths. You can change amount of glow. It's blurring the beams. You can make it blur or sharp. Clearness, brightness, and the number of the beams. You can add, increase or decrease the number of these beams ray, and the rotation. Interesting. Nice. You can see the difference between magic light. It's interesting. So let's go to another image. For example, an image daylight. I want to add a magic light beam to them. Okay, from here you can change intensity. As you can see, it does not detect anything. You can add, change the brush size and add beam here. Nice. It's simple. Add beam here. Boom. You can change intensity. Nice. So with a brush control, you can delete it. You can add it, any beams that you want. Or you can delete it. Masking. Let's again masking. Going to the edit. I explained what is masking. Masking is for controlling the effect of the tool. Which part do you want? Which part you don't want that tool. Make intensity. It's automatically detected. Intensity. For example, this car is surrounded by these, for example, beams. I don't want to delete them, but I want to see better this car. So you can go to the masking in a brush. You can erase that effect of beam here with a high quality of the intensity size. And as you can see, we are deleting the red area. It means it delete the beams effect there, and we can see, as you can see, the beams are deleting the rays of that light are deleting, and you can see that car better. It's just deleting the effect of the tools in a specific area that you want. Okay, you can see it. Nice. This is masking. You can paint if you want. You can add these settings that you set here to your image or erase it with masking. Nice. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.